Guys, look what's just happened. Look how many attempts. Attempts 1, jumps 84, time 1 minute and 26, and look what I've beat. This. I've beaten. Yep. And now I can just go ahead and change my freaking icon. Isn't that cool? So I just get more daily freaking chests. Because I'm so happy. I mean, who's happy? And me too. Leave a like. Please. Just want you to. And then we've just got, I don't even know. Let's see. Okay, I've gotten to club step about 32%. I don't even know why, but yep, I can get this one. So let's check on scores. Global, and here I am. I don't know, but I don't think anyone else's thingies, you know, like. Yeah, I don't think anyone else's. Okay, I don't think anyone's completed about, you know, over. Okay. Well, I don't. Oh, this guy's completed the most. Look at that beautiful icon. Love it. So I've completed the Nightmare Lightning Road. Also, where is it? Here. Let's just test my icon out on the daily level that I'm trying to beat. It's impossible. What a beautiful icon. Okay, I beat a demon in the first try, so maybe not. How about this one? I'm gonna try and like. Oh, wait, should I like copy it? You know, what is it? I don't even know. Oh. Stop. Nope, I'm not gonna be able to do that. Okay, let's search. Nope. H. Yeah, we can just go for it. There we go. KRNAL. What the frick is Colonel? Yeah, what is that name? Okay, Mannix. Man? What? What? Okay, wait. It is an extreme. Should I say extreme? Extreme for that. Okay, most like I've got that. I don't even know what it is. Show. What does it say? You need to patch a secret way. Maybe. Stop killing them things now. Probably kid or something. GG. fellas. GD fellas. Yeah, okay, whatever. I've got more than you then. Don't say the F word, please, anywhere, or I'm going straight past it. Oh, he didn't say the thing properly. Guys, it's just like my heart was freaking. I screamed. I get it. Yes, I screamed. Laura. 1%. Yeah. What? Cool. Probably cool for you. No. I've got more percentage than you, I think. I think I've got 3. Swear word. No. Is this a kid's thing again? WTF. I don't know if that's a swear word. I've never heard. Don't know. Oh, because I'm protecting like little ones from swear words. And also, you know. Just so you saw that. Why is these people so inappropriate? These people aren't. Okay, didn't properly think. Should have cut that away. Oh my god. So, it's not on one, is it? No. 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 Dude, he's starting to be his first demon. Oh, stop it. Okay. It was actually made. What was that novel by then? Michigan. After 99. Yeah. What's that face? If your heartbeat sounds like this, you need help. Of course. Booked. 10 months ago. Don't look at my percent. 98. Paul. I hate that last spike. Did you keep getting 99? Because you keep going upside down. Like if I suck. That's incorrect, you don't suck. It's just... You don't suck. I pro. How many demons has he completed? Oh, only 1. That's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm a pro. Oh my god. No. Please say this is a pass. Here. G. Frickin' G, my hardest. Back. Yay! 1%! Wow, what's to me? R.I.P. my grandma, she died before 5 days. What does that say? So, R.I.P. my grandma. R.I.P. his grandpa, or her. His grandma, she died before 5 days. Nope. I beat it. 789 attempts in practice. I'm special. I got 0%. Okay. Like if your first... No. It's not Extreme Demon. It is impossible. It is not Extreme Demon. It's Impossible Demon. Are you kidding me? What are you gonna... Nope. Wait. No, stop it. No more swear words. Okay. Oh my gosh! Extreme Demon 100%. Get off it. No. Okay, I'm just going to take it over here.